what we're looking for is the length of AC, which is one of the legs of that right triangle. And the first thing we need to determine is if we have a special right triangle. So is it one of these 45, 45, 90 where we can use that equation, or is it a 30, 60, 90 where we might be able to use one of those two equations? And looking at it, we see a 90 degree angle, a 90 degree, or 45 degree angle, and so that other one must be another 45. So we're going to use that first equation that we could on the left hand side that went along with the 45, 45, 90. Hypotenuse equals the leg times the square root of 2. I always write that out first, so that all I have to do is fill in the missing lengths. I know that my hypotenuse is 7. I know that my leg is the thing that I'm trying to find here. That's AC. If you want to label it and call it X, that's fine. And then I'm going to multiply that times the square root of 2. Okay, so now I need to get X by itself. I'm going to take, since X is being multiplied by square root of 2, I'm going to divide by square root of 2. And if I do it on one side, I have to do it on the other side. And those cancel, and I get X all by itself like I wanted to. But then over here I've got 7 divided by the square root of 2, and that looks kind of ugly. We don't like to have a radical in the denominator. So to get rid of that, we're going to multiply this whole thing by 1. But instead of calling it 1, or 1 over 1, we're going to call it square root of 2 over the square root of 2. That way these two can multiply together on the bottom to become 2. And then I've got 7 times the square root of 2 on the top. That's what my X value should be. So if I'm looking back up at the multiple choice problems, does that match? Sure, I've got 7 times the square root of 2 over 2. My answer in this case would be C.